My name is Kaim Ben Sleiman. I'm a professor of strategy and entrepreneurship. I'm the head of the DBA program at Excelia Business School. The DBA is a doctoral program that targets mainly managers holding executive positions with a master degree in every areas: engineering, medical, master in law. The DBA will be a hybrid program, so mainly online with optional attendance in the Parisian campus. The DBA targets mainly managers with at least 5 years of experience and with senior executive experience. We offer courses like Introduction to Research for DBA. We will introduce our DBA students to what is research design, how to craft a paper. So we'll give them the tips of academic writings. We do also put an emphasis in methods, both qualitative and quantitative. The core element of research is analyzing data. Okay, so we'll train our students to the main and most important data analysis techniques using softwares and all those techniques in order to produce rigorous and relevant research. The DBA lasts 3 years with 2 parts. The first part is the coursework. It lasts 1 year, and the second part is dedicated for writing up the thesis. It lasts 2 years, and starting from the 3rd year, so the DBA candidate, with the approval of the supervisor, with the approval of the DBA director, so they may defend their thesis. That's a very good question. I think that we live in a world that is gaining a complexity, a certainty, and I think that we need new organizing models. We need to disrupt what we already know, because what used to work the last decades with the current challenges, climate change, social disruption, technology, we need fresh knowledge. Excelia is a Triple Crown school, accredited, well recognized, part of the 1% best business school in the world. At Excelia, we have more than 100 faculty dedicated to producing research, high quality research. So having a DBA in Excelia is part of also of our strategy to have an impact on the practice and on companies.